bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Slips in place. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Pacer introduced from the other end. There is a fielder at the extra cover. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Can he do it again? That six picked up the length very early. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Edged and taken. Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. And he helps himself to a six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Pacer introduced from first ball. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. Seems to have carried his form from the last match. Cat's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Edged and taken.
Has to walk back to the pavilion. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his feet.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Oh, shot, but only a single.
There is a fielder at the extra cover.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Edged and 4. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Direct hit, and that's out.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
got the batsman.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite game. Direction, and that's out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. Last ball of the innings coming up. That is excellent running.